Education stakeholders are now blaming officials at the City Council of Nairobi for the ongoing Visa Oshwal and Khalsa schools saga. There are claims that the council officials rarely appeared in court when summoned, resulting in a High Court judge granting a court order that allows the Visa Oshwal community to privatize schools built on public land. Catherine Omwanto has that report.
Khalsa walks past the locked gate of Kalsa Boys and Girls Primary School in Nairobi South. The empty school grounds an indication that her children have no school to go to.
Hakuna kitu yote wametuambia tu tupeleke watoto Kongoni na Nairobi South. Na Nairobi South wamekataa, nasema hizi chukua watoto ya Khansa.
Lucky for Najis, she can afford to take her children to another school. For other parents, it is a struggle, and the closure of Khalsa Primary School is just piling on their troubles.
Kama kawaida sinatuma watoto leo. Nasemekana hakuna shule. Akakuja hapa. Ikikuja hapa akaambua kiti moja 1,500. Na mimi sina 1,500 yo, watoto yangu ni 6.
Hopes that Khalsa Boys and Girls School would be open today was based on a discussion in Parliament last week on the Visa Oshwal and Khalsa school controversy.
Could the Minister, Mr. Speaker, ask the Nairobi Provincial Police Officer to order those people who have crossed the gate to open the gates for students on Monday, Mr. Speaker, sir?
The only assurance I can give it to him is that I'm sitting next to the Minister for Education.
The promise given by the two ministers seems to be half fulfilled. While Visa Oshwal Primary School is operating, Khalsa Boys and Girls Primary School, the school behind me, is not. And the parents of the children who go to the school have been told to find other schools. But there's a challenge here. They can't find other schools because the personal files of their children are locked behind these gates. Education stakeholders are now pointing an accusing finger at the City Council of Nairobi. Because the school falls in their municipal council's jurisdiction, it was expected that the officials would fight for the Visa Oshwal and Khalsa primary schools in court.
We are informed that they were not making appearances in court because they were the ones who were in court on behalf of the public, and this led to the court rulings for the schools to be turned back to private ownership.
The Visa Oshwal community is adamant that they indeed own the parcels of land on which Visa Oshwal and Khalsa primary schools stand, and therefore have the right to privatize the respective schools. However, the government has refuted such claims on basis that the parcels of land were granted to the Visa Oshwal community on condition that the community build public schools. As the government sticks by the agreement signed in 1954, Khalsa Boys and Girls Primary School remains closed, and parents like Najis Holzer are stranded with nowhere and no one to turn to. Catherine Omwanto, KTN.